that you guys are doing this with us today. Today we're going to be packing 55,000 meals for kids overseas. Right?
All these meals are going to be going to kids who are in underprivileged circumstances, where they don't have access to nutrition. It is an amazing experience. These folks know how to party.
Because they're filling more and more boxes. So this is the M5M for Mannatech. Right here, this 1 meal packet has phytoblend in it. It is going to nourish 6 kids, just this one alone. We're crazy enough to think we can change the world, and that means we will. So thank you guys so much.